Agility is a wonderful thing. We have agile teams, agile projects, agile project management, and even agile companies. But it has some limitations also. So usually imagine if you are working in an agile project team or in an agile support team, there's no person like a dispatcher which assigns you tickets, which you need to do, because usually you go inside a backlog or a sprint backlog or some kind of lists. Like in service, there's queues where you look at the ticket, and this is a small one, what I'm just showing. We have few screenshots which we will check, understand, read, and think, okay, I think it's a support case or is a task which I could even do and would assign myself. Right now, I am a Summit user, so I would assign myself, right? But what will happen if at the same time, when I'm reading this issue or from service desk, this ticket, somebody else is reading the same ticket from my team? In smaller teams, usually this is not happening so often. But in large and bigger teams, when you have a bigger development team, so I saw teams with 800, even around 1,200 people inside an agile development team. So when they start reading issues and read them through, it takes some time, 5 to 10 minutes maybe, to understand the issue. And then I assign yourself, okay, I will take it from the backlog. At the same time, somebody else is reading it and takes it again, the same ticket. So we have a conflict which usually can be solved if you know if somebody is already reading this ticket at the same time when you are reading this ticket. And yeah, we provided a nice solution for it. You can put it here or you can put it here. It's a sign that you see, oh, somebody is looking at the same ticket. Right now, I am Atlassian Summit user 2019. So I'm the only one who is watching it. If I would like switch to another user, for example, Marek Wawra. Right now, I'm a different user. Look what's happening. Two different people are watching this. Okay, I got a recommendation. I need to accept it. It's a different add-on. But have a look here. Now, when I click on it, Marek is watching now, and the other user, so I was Atlassian Summit 2019, was reading the same ticket. So we thought we can optimize this process. So imagine if it's happened a few times, you get angry and the team members get angry because there's so much work to do, and you want to have some organizational part where this kind of conflicts doesn't happen. On the other hand, we got the request that it's not enough that you know that at the same time right now two people are watching it. I fast forward a little bit so you can see. Even see in time back if somebody was watching a ticket. So right now, the good part is now is that you know that someone else is reading or interesting in this issue. You can like start communicating and chatting. So I hope you like this nice add-on what we develop. It is called Who is Online. So have fun.